How to change Roblox location if you've accidentally changed it. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I accidentally changed the location of your Roblox account and don't know how to reset it. Don't worry, you're not alone. So in this video, I'll show you the easiest step to change the location of your Roblox account if you've accidentally changed it. So now let's fix this together. First of all, you need to go to Roblox application, or you can go ahead and launch the Roblox website, log into your account. After that, tap on the gear icon in the top right and then go to settings. Now tap on account info and scroll down until you find the account location option directly below the theme option. As you can see that I've already changed my location once and Roblox does not allow me to change it manually. So in order to change again, I need to contact the Roblox support to change my account location. So now go back to your Roblox homepage and then tap on the gear icon again and then go to help and safety. From here, go to help center. Tap on Roblox account. I need help with my account. Scroll all the way down and view all the articles under the account settings. Scroll to the end and then tap on account location. Scroll down until you see why can't I change my account location. And then tap on support form. You will be redirected to help and contact area. Your username will be entered automatically and the first name is optional, but you can enter it. And the email address is required as you will be contacted via this email address. So enter a valid email address and confirm it. Now comes the most important part. Select the device that you're having problems with from the drop-down menu. You can choose PC, Mac, iPhone, or Android device, whatever your device is. Go to the type of help category section and then scroll down and tap on how to. Click on help subcategory type and then tap on how to other or how to change my location. Now simply write, hello Roblox team, I'm currently experiencing a geographic issue with Roblox. And also state that you cannot redeem physical Roblox gift cards and make Roblox purchases. So this is an annoying problem for me. So please make the appropriate changes and change my location. And then write the location that you want to switch to again and make sure that you specify your current location and the location you want to change it to with the respective currencies. Once you've filled out the form, click on Submit and complete the verification CAPTCHA, and your request will be sent to Roblox team. While you wait for the response, remember that there is 50-50 chance of success. So if this method worked for you, then congratulations. Otherwise, you should consider creating a new Roblox account with the correct location settings. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to change your Roblox account location if you've accidentally changed it. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.